Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Talk, and today we are going to unbox the Oneplus new flagship device, and it's Oneplus 6. We all know that this is the must have phone of the year, and it went on sale in India on 21st May. Before going further, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Here is the Oneplus 6 box, and these are the box description. I got it for 40,000. I got the mirror black color. Let me quickly unwrap the plastic and check what's inside the box. There's also one more color option, which is the midnight black. Inside we get the device, which has a metal glass design and has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection front and back. Here is a closer look at the mirror black color. Now let's go ahead and check the other things. We get a black TPU case, SIM ejector tool with some booklets, then USB Type-C cable. Here is a closer look at the cable. Finally, dash charger, and here is a closer look. These are all the contents inside the box. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor and has a 6GB or 8GB RAM option, 64, 128 or 256 storage option. On the front there is a display, earpiece, front camera with a notch, and the front display comes with pre-applied screen protector. Here is a closer look. On the right, a LED slider, power button. On the left, volume button, SIM slot. Let me remove the SIM tray and check. This phone supports dual SIM and has a dual SIM VoLTE support. On the top, secondary mic. On the bottom, speaker, USB Type-C port, primary mic and headphone jack. On the rear, there is a dual cameras, flash, fingerprint sensor and OnePlus branding. Here's a closer look at the dual camera setup. Now let's check the mirror black color. Now let me put the TPU case on the phone. This is how it fits. It's nice to have case included inside the box. Let me power on this device, quickly complete the setup process. This phone comes with Android 8.1 out of the box with Oxygen OS 5.1.5. There's already a software update available for download. Let me quickly download that. Let's talk about display of this phone. It comes with 6.23 inches Full HD Plus Optic AMOLED with 19:9 display. It has a notch, which can be disabled in settings, and this is how it looks with notch and without notch. Now let me go into this setting and check the storage of the phone. Out of 128GB, used space is 2.15 GB. Now let's talk about the camera. This phone comes with a dual rear camera and has a 16 megapixel primary plus 20 megapixel secondary camera lens with f1.7 apertures for both the lenses. The primary camera comes with OIS. Let me open the camera app. This is how you toggle between the camera modes. Now let me take some pictures. Let's check this picture. Let me zoom in. Now let me switch to the front camera, which has a 16 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. Let me take some pictures. This phone also comes with iPhone 10 like gestures, which can be turned on or off through settings. This is how you can turn it on or off. Here is a look. This phone comes with a DCI-P3 color calibration. You can change the display color temperature. Let's check the fingerprint sensor and face unlock feature. First, I will set up my fingerprint. Now, let's test it. Let me also set up my face and try to unlock it. That's all for the OnePlus 6 unboxing and hands-on. This video is sponsored by Khurana Sales. If you stay in Pune and are looking for phones, I would suggest you to try Khurana Sales. Here's why. You get exciting offers, discounts plus some freebies, even finance options available.